Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage. Is it a surface scuff, clear coat scratch, or paint chip down to primer? Once done, clean thoroughly with soap and a degreaser so nothing contaminates repair. You need 400-1500 grit sandpaper, rubbing compound, primer, touch-up paint matched to your code, clear coat, and microfiber towels. Tape 1/2 around the area to protect edges. This step sets the stage. Skip it and the finish will fail, so be methodical and precise. Now you sand and level. Start with 400 grit for deep gouges, then 800, finishing at 1500 for a smooth profile. Keep it wet and flat to avoid waves. Once done, apply a thin primer or filler only where needed and let it cure fully. Follow the product timing. Next, apply 1 to 2 thin coats of touch-up paint, waiting 20 to 30 minutes between coats. Feather the edges to blend with surrounding paint, so transitions disappear once clear coat is applied. Finish with clear coat. Spray 2 to 3 light passes, waiting 5 to 10 minutes tack time between each so you avoid runs. Hold the can steady and keep moving. Once cured, wet sand gently with 1500 to 2000 grit only if needed to remove orange peel. Then polish using a rubbing compound, followed by a finish polish to restore gloss. If the color still looks off, try a blending solvent or consult a professional. Make sure to inspect in daylight and repeat controlled steps rather than rushing repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.